what about running offline face recognition which can run on your Android phone, Windows, Linux? Yeah, that's right. Let me introduce you my new open source cross-platform project which is Face AI. And of course it can run anywhere using Python. Let me show you a quick demo first. And obviously the download link will be in the description. You can download it and let me run it on my Linux. And here you go. Let me drag it a little bit bigger. And first time, once you launch it and if you click on this start service, it will prompt you to download the model, one-time activity. Once that is done, you can start anytime after launching it. And once it is started, there are two options. Of course, many more features can be added in the future. And now let's first try Face Finder, where you have a source image, which should have a single face image. And in the target image, you can have a group photo where there can be multiple faces. And let me show you a demo of that. And it is really fun to do that. Click on source image and let me choose a photo for that. Maybe a photo of Jet Li. Click OK and here you go. And in the target image, let me put another group image and maybe this one. So which is basically Jet Li and Jackie Chan together. And just click on detect. And here you go. And as you see, there is a green box and the face is matched and the Jackie Chan face is not matched. It's the red one. And if you click on this photo, you can basically download or delete. And let's quickly download this. And maybe let's download in the downloads folder. Hit OK. And here you go. And it will prompt you as it is downloaded. You can also delete it if you want. And let's go to downloads folder now. And here you go. It also gives the percentage of confidence. So it is 83.6% and the Jackie Chan one is 29.8%. And of course we have one more feature which is called a secure vault, where you can store encrypted files on Linux and Windows and it can be logged only with your face. And let's try that. Okay, so I do not have any face registered in this app. Let me put my name and click on save face. And here we go. And that is saved. Now it is prompting me to log in. If I click on login, let's see. And logged in as Somnath Das, as expected. And here you go. You can upload, add another face. And let's upload a file for now. And from downloads, whichever we have downloaded, let's upload that. And here you go. Anytime if you wanted to delete, you can delete or you can download it again to your desired folder. And of course, this file will be encrypted on basically desktop platform. On Android, it is not required and I'll show you that also. And let's quickly verify. And I know where it is exactly saved. And here you go, it's the secure file. And if I double tap on this image, basically my image viewer software cannot show it because it's an encrypted file. Let's try to download it. Let's go to downloads. Downloads. Let's delete the uploaded one and let's download it again from our secure vault, of course. Let's click on download button, select downloads and click this tick mark. And here you go, it is downloaded. And now you see this is downloaded freshly and you can open with your image viewer. So encryption decryption happens at the app level. Whenever it is stored in the secure vault, it is encrypted, and when you download it, it's decrypted. And on Android, it is not really required as it is being stored in the private space of that app. No other app can access it. And this is just two of these applications using face recognition. We can also add many more features like maybe an API on desktop version where you can hit the API and get it recognized or something like that. And let's quickly check this particular app on Android. And let me open Face AI app on my Android phone and the flow is exactly same. There is no difference and the interface is similar as you see. Let me start the service. The model is already downloaded and the same option is also here. Here are some instruction. If you wanted to don't show again, that is also absolutely fine. And let's use the secure vault and camera is open. And let me just click on login without my face. What happens? Of course, face is not matched. And let's log in now with my face. And here you go, logged in as Somnath Das. One photo is uploaded over here. If I wanted, I can download it to my local folder, or if I wanted to upload anything new, that is also possible. Maybe any photo, and here you go, it is uploaded. If you wanted to delete anything, you can delete it. And if you wanted to add a new face, and let me just try if I can put anything. Okay, and let me try to save it. And this face is already saved for Somnath Das, as you see. And of course, you can definitely register any other new face. And let me log in now. And here you go. And of course, there are settings. If you wanted to connect me, you have all the links over here. Of course, in the future, I will try to add more features. And let's see. Thanks for watching this video. See you in some next amazing topics.